don't need me a basketball player. All I need is somebody that's down for me. And he don't have to have money. His love is just like honey. It's so sweet to me. He can have anything in this world, but he'll sacrifice it all for me. I done made up my mind.